Hey guys, back again. So today I'm actually going to plant some stuff and see how it works out. So this will be the beginning part of it. Today I took some more of the chicken waste from underneath there and then I put it in here and then I used my little electric water tiller and mixed it in pretty good. I don't think the ground's 100%. We'll see. I had some success a while back using my compost right there, but that was the same, pretty much the same thing. It was just their bedding and their poop mixed up and just put it in there. I didn't really, sorry, I didn't mix it up because you're supposed to put like layers and have like carbon and then nutrients and all that stuff. I forget the name of them offhand right now, but you're supposed to mix them up, water that, yeah, they call like a compost lasagna or something like that, and it's supposed to be pretty good. But to my surprise, when I did that, it worked. So anyways, that was my bump uppers that I did last time that ultimately failed because it did dry out. It didn't work. So anyways, we're trying this out now. We have a couple onions that were in our fridge that we just never got to, and they started sprouting quite a bit actually. So we're gonna put those in here, and I'm gonna show you real quick. Actually, we're gonna put onions here on this side. Then we got some bell pepper seeds, and then some banana pepper seeds we're gonna put right here. We're gonna try it out, see what happens. So here's, I just showed you what it is, but I'm gonna basically see if you can even see this or not. Hold on a second here. I just drew this up basically. That's basically what there. I don't know if you can see that too well. The white onions, the bell peppers, and the banana peppers. And grow each of them in each one of these little lanes here. So just to see how it works out. Let's just keep an eye on it. See what happens. And this is, so I can't do this without losing this here. We have sweet banana peppers from one of our several different seed kits, and bell pepper seeds. So we're gonna try them. So they're supposedly some heirloom seed kits. So we're gonna give it a shot. We're gonna plant this up here in a minute, and I'll get back to you in just a second. All right, guys, here we go. So I got it divvied up. So every one of these lines here, you see the breaks in the fixture there. So I made that kind of like, just as on the fly, a division of the garden here. So we got the white onions here, bell peppers in this one here. This one here has my banana peppers, and then we found some garlic. So we're growing some garlic cloves here. They're planted and they're watered. Probably need more water, but that's, I put about a gallon and a half or so of water on all this, spread out. So maybe I'll put some more in later today, maybe some more tomorrow. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. This is the start. These, believe it or not, are off of 2 onions. So we found out if you peel the onions back real far, you can split them up and they each have their own roots. So there's a total of, I think, 8 or 9, I think. 8 onions in there right now off of the 2. A little baby one here, and I guess they get bigger as they go back. And these 2 are going to be seeds, starting out seeds, and I guess that would be a seed as well too, but it's just like a piece of the garlic clove that we, I think 2, maybe 1.5 cloves are broken off. Just gonna try everything, see how it works. All right, guys. Other than that, that's empty for that. And I did measure, sorry, I can't see this one. The bedding here that I'm going to use is actually just a hair, about a, I don't know if it was half an inch or 3/4 inch, just too narrow width-wise to fit around that. So I have an idea. What I might do is just cut off, move all the boards over to the back to make my floor, cut off what I don't need, and then make and put the other arm I cut off them out, and then screw them back on. So give me the extra width I need, and this should work. And then I'll be starting the expansion of the chicken coop. They've already been fed today. I know I need to get in there and clean up all that. They destroyed the whole thing. I had little roosting bars, I'm sorry, on the, I don't know if you can kind of see it right here or not, like right, it's like right here, and then the netting here, I had them like kind of cut through. If you look back at my older videos, you'll see it. They knocked them down, plus the wind and all that stuff. So anyways, as of right now, as you can see, actually I gotta close it while I'm right here thinking about it. See the doors down that I had set up because I use their chicken poop as the compost right here. So there's my hens right there. So anyways, put this back. Get the dog out and keep them in. So anyways, I don't know if you've ever seen how this works. I mean, obviously I figured it out, but I set my 1 gallon, dump it in there, and it goes all the way in there and fills it all the way up pretty much to full. Eventually, if I either do it on this system or my other system when I move out, I want to do a rain catchment so I can just turn a valve and just dump it in there from a separate storage, water storage for them. So ultimately what I'm going to do, I don't know if I said before, take the bed, cut the frame, I'm going to etch it to here, and hopefully I'm going to move basically something kind of like this wall will be out, you know, maybe almost double, so double the whole length of this whole thing. But eventually I want to move this thing, the nesting box, to on this side. Then maybe I can move everything over so we don't have to get back here anymore. So we'll see. Anyways, guys, that's that. That's what we're working on right now. Maybe in the future. Oh, you know what, guys? I did say I was going to do that. I haven't quite done it just yet. I have trampoline material. I'm going to try to put up on top of here for the shade because the summer's coming, or the warm temperature's coming. So I'll put it up there. Maybe one of these days. I don't know when. I'm going to get some extra money. I'll try to refurb this. I'm going to paint it all up and clean it up for us so we get something nicer. We have this one and we also have that one, so I'm not sure it is yet. Anyways, as of right now, that's it. I will get back to you again later. See you guys this one. Oh, hey guys, real quick, before I forget, if you guys can like, subscribe, comment. If you do all this stuff, it'll help me spam my videos, get them pushed out more, and we can keep on things doing more videos, and keep on doing better things. Keep on going faster, bigger, faster, and well, I wouldn't say faster because I don't want to rush things. I want to do it right. So, anyways, anyways, have a nice video. Sorry, guys. Anyways, alright, guys. Talk to you guys next time. See ya.